Professor Glenn Jeffrey from University College London says this simple device can help people who suffer from macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss among older people.
We actually take a very, very simple device that's extremely economic, and all we ask people to do is actually to put it over one eye for 1 to 2 minutes every day. We find that there is an improvement in vision, particularly your ability to detect a very, very small light in the dark.
But one day, Jeffrey got to thinking about how colonies of bees are dying, partly due to poisoning by a class of pesticides called neonicotinoids, and he decided his therapy might also help them.
One of the ways in which these insecticides work is that they take the energy out of the cell. Every cell has a series of batteries in it called mitochondria, and what they do is they discharge the battery so that the battery has got no energy for normal metabolic function. Now, one of the things that this red light does is it's absorbed by the battery, and as it absorbs the red light, so it actually increases the output of the energy of the battery, and so we can use that to restore some of the function of the cell.
So he started shining infrared light on bees that had been poisoned with a neonicotinoid called imidacloprid.
In the colony that hasn't had the light, the animals are rather grey, they're pasty, and they move around in balls. If you look at the group on the other side that's had the 670 nanometer light as well, you find they're moving around in a relatively normal way, they're beating their wings, and we can't tell the difference between those and bees that haven't been poisoned.
Jeffrey says this is an easy fix to a huge problem threatening the world's honeybees.
This is actually a very, very cheap thing to do. It really should be a matter of 15 or 20 pounds because we can just insert LEDs into the hive.
It's cheap, easy, and Jeffrey says the bees can't even see the light, so it doesn't affect their behavior at all. Kevin Enochs, VOA News, Washington.